should be called a Bamboo Reboot Camp because when we get out, I'm sure all of us will be rebooted. Diba? So but being different is actually beautiful. Diba?
Sure, if you want.
Anyways, I'm Jet and I'm an entrepreneur. I joined the Bamboo this boot camp because at first it was all like money making stuff, but here we are on the day before the last. The reason why I came here is just 2%, 1% of the reason why that I discovered that why I should really be in this boot camp. So that's it. It's an amazing, it's a entirely different experience as a whole. It's like different people with different backgrounds, different points of view, converging with nature and like building something beautiful. It's just amazing. So amazing, beautiful, awesome. My favorite module became I think the experience, the personal experience with the bamboo. Like when you touch it, you like trying to break it. It's like that's my favorite thing. Like getting to really up close with the bamboo, feeling the bamboo. That's my favorite thing. So because at the end of the day, we want sustainable business. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So yeah, sustainability, earning money at the same time. It's sustainable, and you're actually helping the environment. You're actually helping more people. So it's like that's the whole essence of it. The experience was really amazing. So it's like, well, I've already told this, diba, right? That your approach is a very effective approach. That what you're doing is very effective for like individuals like us without or very little knowledge about bamboo, and now we came out as bambooang. So that's a very effective. Whatever you're doing is very effective and it's great. That's it.